Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and making it visible so the Camry can find it. This is essential because the 2007 system won't scan hidden devices. Next, turn the radio to the proper input, AUX or the Bluetooth page, so the head unit is ready to receive a signal. Now, use the steering wheel phone button or the head unit's menu to enter pairing mode. You do this to broadcast the car's Bluetooth ID for your phone to detect. Once your phone detects the car's Bluetooth name, tap it to begin pairing. You do this because the devices need to exchange credentials. When a passkey appears, confirm the numbers on both phone and car display so you avoid connecting to the wrong device. After pairing, grant permissions for call audio and contacts so the system can route calls and show caller ID. This step ensures hands-free calling works correctly and your recent contacts sync for convenience. Finish by making a test call and playing music to verify audio routing and microphone function. You do this to confirm both outgoing and incoming audio paths are correct. If everything sounds right, save the phone as the primary device in the car settings so it reconnects automatically. If pairing fails, restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth, or delete old pairings on both phone and head unit. This simple reset often clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.